Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving demand quickly. Identify 5 niches with at least 1,000 searches per month or a clear upward trend. Then, pick 3 top-selling products in each niche on major marketplaces and record price, margin, and review counts. This gives objective signals. Once done, shortlist products that meet your margin goal and have fewer than 10 dominant competitors. Make sure to save keywords and product links. This is your testing list and the foundation for sourcing and validation. Next, you move into sourcing and fast validation. Contact 3 suppliers for each shortlisted product and request samples noting cost, lead time, and minimum order quantities. While you wait, build a lightweight listing or landing page that highlights benefits and key specs. Use a clear call to action. Then run small paid or organic tests with 50 to 200 targeted impressions to measure click-through and conversion intent. If a variant outperforms, prioritize it for larger orders and improved creatives. Finally, you scale carefully. Place a test batch sized to your cash flow and risk tolerance, then prepare inventory, fulfillment, and customer support. Optimize the listing or store with polished images, benefit-driven copy, price testing, and a review request sequence to build social proof. Once live, monitor conversion, returns, and unit economics daily and increase spend on winning creatives. If traction is low, troubleshoot. Double-check traffic quality. Tweak positioning for benefits or pivot channels. Adjust the offer before committing more capital.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.